I want you to take a good look at me, see? Take a good look, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, look?
Yeah, me a look.
Alright, I love how you look. What are the chances of us hooking up tonight? Adventurous, then we'd have to try some new things?
Yes, I am. Yes.
Same question.
Depends.
Depends.
Yeah.
On what?
I don't know how I feel.
Adventurous, I like to try new things on him somebody?
Yeah.
What do you feel like would I do? What would I do?
First thing, like it.
Is that the one?
I'm not telling them I'm kind of freaky. Somebody start from this.
Bombastic side eye.
Conquer.
What's up, Crank Up King? You know, it's the boy Crank Up and we're back with another video. Yo, don't cuss me, please. I know I'm not getting the content for a minute, but to tell you the truth, I did a video about 3 to 4 weeks ago, and I just edited for you. Today, actually, April 29, Saturday, see me, and the video I got post Sunday, which is April 30th, you get me. Sorry for the slack. Sorry, but to be honest, I just not feel the public interview thing. You understand? And most times I try to do other content for you, It's like I not get enough people. But I don't want to get into that. Yo, when you follow all of my socials, follow me Instagram, follow me TikTok. I depend on them places active to keep updated. So you need to follow me on them platforms there. To know what go on with me, when you see me on YouTube, you get me? This is a part 2 for the video. I do the video at Ochi, and now I do it at Portland, my place, you get me? The first video never get views more. Yo, I don't know watch the videos them and I like, enjoy the video till you forgot to press the like button. You understand? I want to know that the like button is a very important thing. And if you don't miss the channel, if you don't support the boy Crank Up, just press the like button and leave a comment. You get me? It really helps. You see me? When you see say, the channel not the way it used today. And how you going to help me if you do that? By pressing the like button and leave a comment. But I don't want to get too much into that deep YouTube personal thing. You get me? Just enjoy the video. Watch your part 1 too. And make me know when you think I like that video. You see me? You know the females them rude, I'm not telling you what me do in the video. You just have to watch and see what me do. Yo, you know my style. Crank up, be it, get it done up, you know. Alright, so today we're here with the beautiful
Shan
and the beautiful
Jada.
Where are you from?
St. Thomas.
Where are you from?
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas girl them. I'm just going out in the self and look good. I know it's not Poland girl. Poland girl them not hot. Anyways. Then go to cuss me now. Alright, so here we go. Are you single or taken though? Are you single or taken?
Single.
You ready to mingle?
No.
No? Are you single or taken?
I'm taken.
How long you have the problem?
What?
How long you have the problem?
The problem?
Yeah.
Which problem?
It's not a problem?
No, it's not.
Machida good?
Yeah.
What your name?
You don't even know.
If you can't call your name, I know you're a man.
Yeah, my man.
I know you're a man, you can't call your name. So here we go, see? Here, I'm going to ask you two answer. Are you adventurous type of female?
Yes.
Same question.
Depends.
Yeah. On what?
I don't know how I feel.
So you like to try new things?
Depends.
You like to try new things?
Depends.
I love that. So here we go, see? This is a real question, and this is the main question. Just keep it 100, right? On a scale from 1 to 10. What time now? It's 5:28. What are the chances of us hooking up tonight? Let's come in. Your answer.
4.
4, that means there is a chance. Can you get a hug? I like that. I like your little smiley too. On a scale from 1 to 10, what are the chances of us hooking up tonight?
0.
Why 0?
Because I'm not just hook up with people.
What does that supposed to mean?
It means what I just say, I'm not doing a hook up.
Why you would hook up?
Because I don't want to hook up. I got me a man.
So what does that have to do with take?
My man's.
Wait, me understand what that have to do with?
Yeah, here.
Like me basically ask you, we can catch some fish.
Just after we no fish.
And that me at boy, So me really do.
Bitch, I'm not playing with you.
The fish.
Yo, me no know put down the bait. You know put down the bait?
Hook me somewhere, hook me.
You know that's damn rude. You talk about man and you're rude. Come show the Instagram before we go.
Strong Melanin 9. Strong_Melanin 9.
Your Instagram, I didn't find it.
It's J Beta.
Spell that.
JAE_BAE_DA.
Alright, thank you very much, alright? Alright, so today we're here with the beautiful
Sanya.
and the sexy.
Sanya.
Sanya just go on with yourself, you know.
Period.
What's tattoo that? Alex.
No, I can't say my daughter's name.
Oh, come here, say which man tattoo that they put on here, you know. You get me? Alright, so you are going, are you good? Are you single or taken?
Taken.
How long you have the problem?
I'm not really a problem, you know. Can't call it almost a year now.
My cheater good.
Yeah.
What your name?
Akeem.
Yo, big of yourself, you know, Akeem. Yo, a very few girls can call him my name, you know.
Right.
Alright, so you are going. The other question is, right? Are you a spontaneous type of girl?
Yeah.
Adventurous, like to try new things on him someday?
Yeah.
Alright, that's perfect. I love your answer already, you know. Now, yo, you are going. See? This is my other question. More you take a good look at me. See? Take a good look, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, look?
Yeah, me a look.
Alright, I love how you look. On a scale from 1 to 10, right? What are the chances of us hooking up tonight?
5.5.
Can get one hug. I like that because at least one chance did it. At least one chance did it. Alright, so what do you think with that? What do you think of that when you hook up?
No, we just talk and that's all.
We just talk.
Yeah.
So you know if I put on a bait. Why you like me? You know put on a bait.
Seriously, I never know say I say that talk, sir.
So what you did that talk?
I don't know anything what you that
You're
talk.
just damn rude. Some fish more I catch tonight. I don't know if you catch fish. You
Me
don't put on.
can't catch fish
You don't
either.
put on a bait then.
No, I don't know if you do that.
Yo, she just damn rude. Damn rude, man. Show to the Instagram before go. Cause I know them boy and find you.
Alright, so my name is Sanya Boo on Instagram and y'all can follow my business page at Sanya Jewelry and more.
Spell it, Sonia.
SANIA.
Alright, thank you very much, alright? Alright, so today we're here with the beautiful.
Nicole.
What's the name?
Nicole.
Nicole, I'm gonna get you don't want to talk with my ears to Nicole. The beautiful and sexy Nicole, right?
Yes.
Nicole, we can burn on a little bit. Come just want to insist that you're beautiful and sexy for real now. God damn shorty. Alright, so what going? Are you single or taken?
Single.
Are you ready to mingle?
Somewhat.
Somewhat?
Yes.
You have a type?
Not really. Just no fat guys.
No. So the Morgan man them have a both right too though.
Yes, and him can't be short either.
Tall like you, me too tall?
No, you're fine.
So I could have fit the description.
Yes.
I love that. So you are going on Nicole. See? Are you a spontaneous type of girl?
Yes, I am.
You like to try new things, like adventurous, then we have to try some new things?
Yes, I am.
I just love you as Nicole. Cause I like short girls and I see you like short, tall guys.
Yes.
My God, she look nice, don't guys? Alright, so you are going on Nicole. See? When you take a good look at me, see? Cause me I look for you, no more you look for me now. See?
Yeah.
What are the chances from 1 to 10 of us hooking up tonight? Take a good look for me, Nicole.
0.
Don't cry.
0? Why 0?
I don't know you either.
So you have to know me?
Yes.
Why?
But no, this one guy just hook up with him just like that. No, that not gonna happen. That not play.
That not play?
No.
So I feel like you have to think about something different though, Nicole.
Like what?
Like me ask you so you can hook up, you know? Like tonight we go Nicole, you know put on the bait because I know you don't put on the bait.
No, you have
know,
to
put on-
teach me that too.
So the pole and you come from, you know, we get fish and something.
No.
You know, you're just damn rude, Nicole. After me, want to get some fish, I think about dirty stuff. This is a Christian channel.
No, but even if we are going to hook up, still, we can't do it tonight. It's like you teach me how to use the
No,
the
but me think
hook
you
and the line
know.
and-
But you
no.
talk about sex. You see, short people always rude.
Oh, you know me I talk
Because
about
that
sex.
you talk, short people ever rude.
You can't read my mind. You couldn't tell me I talk about sex. Because we couldn't talk about that.
Too damn rude, man. Show to the Instagram so them boy can find him. Or your business, anything.
Well, yes, my business page is GG's Personalized Printing. I do customized products. I do pillows, chains, key rings, and all different type of stuff.
Alright, you don't want to show to the personal page?
No, not necessarily.
Guys, make sure to follow our business page. Thank you, alright? Alright, so today we're here with the beautiful
Dion.
Diane, the sexy Diane, right? How are you?
Fine.
You look fine, I must say. You look kind of young, you know, but for the camera, how old are you?
19.
Alright, good. So you are going now. Are you single or taken?
Single.
Are you ready to mingle?
No.
Why not?
Want some time for myself?
You could just come out of a relationship?
No.
You just want some time for yourself? Alright, so you are going now, see? Moana, are you a spontaneous type of girl?
Kinda.
kinda. You adventurous them way that you like try new things on them something.
Yep.
I love that already. I like you already there. Alright, so you are going, you see? I want to take a good look at me, right? Take a good look, you know. You see me? Alright, so you are going. What are the chances from 1 to 10 of us hooking up tonight?
9.
Stay calm, cute. She wanna have sex.
9? Can I get a hug? I don't think you want some time for yourself. Alright, so you are going. What do you feel like would I do? What would I do?
Wait, I think I say not asking a rude question.
I'm not asking nothing rude.
Okay.
I like your piercing.
Thanks. First thing, like it.
Is that the one?
I'm not telling them I'm kind of freaky. Somebody start from this. So.
Bombastic side eye.
Me can't get that. Yo, me love you already. Me love you already. You just call me middle name. The you are going. But me feel, me don't know you're talking about freaky and anything. Cause me never
Yesterday I get it, you want to get the details.
No, me I say, me never talk about none and something there. I mean like, we can go hook up, you know? Throw a line and... Me don't even know, you know catch fish?
No.
But that me I talk about, you know put on a bait and something there. And fish me I talk about, you talk about, you got to freak it something to me. You know, you're damn rude and show to the Instagram before we go, because I know them boy want to find it.
Davia876 and Davia187 underscore.
Alright, thank you very much, alright?
Stay with us again for another episode of the bullshit.